Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your friendly neighborhood Terry Lankan. I hope you're doing well. This is the monthly reading for Sagittarius or Dhanu Rashi for the month of September 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energy, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Sagittarius or Dhanu Rashi for the month of September 2025. Sun, Moon, Rising. So Sagittarius. Wow, a lot of mental stress will be there because the theme of the month for you is the Nine of Swords. So with this energies, there is always some sort of mental stress, mental trauma, depression involved overall. So with the theme for this month being the Nine of Swords, तनाव तो रहेगा ऑब्वियसली. आपका मेंटल हेल्थ अच्छा नहीं जाएगा ये मंथ. कोई चीज़ आपको परेशान करेगा और वो चीज़ आपको सताएगा, बहुत ज़्यादा सताएगा. बट डरने वाली कोई बात है नहीं क्योंकि सोल्यूशन भी है जैसे कि रीडिंग में दिख रहा है. सो वी विल गो अलोंग. नाउ द एनर्जी दैट सराउंड्स यू इज द एस ऑफ पेंटिकल्स. सो डेफिनेटली सम सॉर्ट ऑफ न्यू बिगिनिंग, कोई नया चीज़ शुरू होने की एनर्जी. शुरुआत तो होगा नया चीज़. Probably if you're looking for a job, if you're looking to start something new, something that involve money or wealth or finances, very good card to start. If you're looking to invest, again a very good card. The energies kind of signify that naya cheez related to your income, to your money related things is going to start. We'll get into these cards as we go along, but first we'll look at the other energies. Now when it comes to your career and finances, आपका जो इंट्यूशन है, आपका जो अंदर का वॉइस है, उसको सुनिए, उसके हिसाब से डिसीजंस लीजिए. आप जितना आप जितना अपने आप का सबकॉन्शियस से कनेक्ट होंगे, आपको उतना ही क्लैरिटी मिलेगा, उतना ही आपको आसान होगा आपका जो करियर और फाइनेंस रिलेटेड जर्नी. बिकॉज विद द हाई प्रिस्टेस एज द कार्ड, देर इज डेफिनेटली एन एलिमेंट ऑफ कनेक्टिंग टू योर सबकॉन्शियस. मैं बार बार एक ही चीज़ बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि दिस इज वट द कार्ड वुड सिग्निफाई. आपका इंट्यूशन जो है उसको फॉलो कीजिए. जो आपको लगे कि सही है वो करने से मेरे को सक्सेस मिलेगा, मेरे को प्रोग्रेस मिलेगा, वही कीजिए. कोई दूसरा कुछ जो भी बोले ठीक है, उसको कंसिडर कीजिए, बट डिसीजन आप अपने इंट्यूशन के हिसाब से ही लीजिए. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू योर लव एंड रिलेशनशिप्स, यू गेट 4 ऑफ कप्स. सो अ सेंस ऑफ डिसइंटरेस्ट, अ सेंस ऑफ बोर्डम. आपका जो इच्छा है वो नहीं है अभी लव एंड रिलेशनशिप रिलेटेड में. आप बहुत ज़्यादा काइंड ऑफ पुराने जो आपके दुख थे, पुराने जो आपने सफरिंग्स फेस किए थे, या जो चीज़ आपको फुलफिलिंग नहीं हुआ, जो चीज़ आपको प्लेजर नहीं दिया, जो वट एवर यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग, you didn't get it in the past, and this is what is resulting you to not have any interest in love and relationships currently. Opportunities are obviously to ignite that emotion and energy within you, but you are very much closed off right now. You are very much disconnected from that right now. आपको ज़्यादा ही नेगेटिव माइंडसेट में है अभी. यू आर फोकसिंग टू मच ऑन द लॉस, टू मच ऑन what didn't happen, rather than focusing on what might happen or what might be in the future. So you're very much stuck on the past, I would say. This card highly signifies that you are still stuck in the past, lost in the past, dissatisfaction. Now when it comes to your health, good energies overall. You could be provided with a choice to improve your health, to focus more on your health, to uplift your health issues, and to get rid of your issues overall. But that choice will be provided to you in this month by the universe. So choose wisely whatever comes your way related to your health this month, because whatever the universe will provide, whatever the universe will push towards you, this is kind of meant for you. This decision is quite important. Because you do get the lowers in the health reading. So being a major arcana, this would mean a very major shift overall in your health. So do choose wisely. Now the other energies that is there, I see you moving away from something. I see you, leaving past things behind and moving on to the future, which is a very good sign. You are leaving that past trauma, like not exactly the past trauma, but you are leaving the past behind. You are leaving, kind of leaving what is not needed anymore in your life and moving into a more better, more stable kind of position, whatever it might the sector be. Could be your career, could be anything else, but you are definitely moving into more stable, more good kind of energies. Although that anxiety, that the bad emotions from the past is there, bad mental energies is there from the past, but you are still moving on. You're still like kind of fighting back. You're still kind of persevering and moving ahead. Good energies overall. Now there is something that is blocking you. There is a blockage. There is a very heavy kind of energy with the devil in your reading. So yeah, uh, like you can't get out of something. Something is kind of binding you. आपको खींच के रखा है. There is a like with the devil. There is a the खींच in the life, in your sector, whatever sector it might be, but that thing is kind of pulling you back. आप निकल नहीं पा रहे हो वो चीज़ से. शायद आपको पता भी नहीं हो, आपको वो चीज़ सही लग रहा है कि चल रहा है, सही है, ऐसे ही तो होना चाहिए, but that thing is kind of actually harming you because there is a cyclic pattern, like एक ही गलत चीज़ बार बार करने से जो होता है, आपको नहीं लग रहा है कि वो गलत है, आपको तो लग रहा है सही कर रहा हो, बट ओवरऑल बाहर कोई बाहर वाले से पूछोगे तो वो नहीं बोलेगा कि यू आर लाइक वट एवर यू आर डूइंग इज रॉन्ग, बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग द सेम wrong thing again and again. There is a high element of cyclic patterns of repetitions. For some of you, this could mean addiction of some sort that you can't get out of, and this could also mean, like you being very much driven by your, what should I say, basic instincts rather than your spiritual self. I don't know if that makes sense, but very much I see a disconnect from the divine in a way. So focus on that. This needs to be addressed as soon as possible, because this energy being there is not good, and it's not. I also like know that coming out of this is not that easy. Coming out of this entire cyclic pattern, it takes a lot of willpower. But obviously, people have done it. People do it all the time. Just with sheer willpower, they break those chains, the chains that are symbolized in this card. You need to break those chains. You need to get out of them. Now the other energies that is there is the page of swords. So कोई चीज़ है जिसको लेके आप क्यूरियस है, जिसको आप और जानना चाहते हैं, आप और इन डेप्थ लाइक इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, which is a good energy I would say. But like वो क्यूरियसिटी आपके अंदर है, कोई चीज़ है जिसको लेके आप और भी लाइक बहुत क्यूरियस है, बहुत जानने की इच्छा है आपके अंदर. सो वो चीज़ में यू विल गेट सक्सेस. आपको अगर कोई चीज़ को लेके इन्फॉर्मेशन आप ढूंढ रहे हैं, आप कोई चीज़ को जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आपको ये मंथ वो सक्सेस मिलेगा. Now the overall now the energy that you should focus upon is the Two of Cups. So a very like for some of you this could mean a new partner coming into your life, and for others it could also mean that issues can get resolved with your partner this month. But yeah, a very soulmate kind of energy. See, you get the lovers as well as you get the two of cups. A very soulmate, very you know, e- energy exchange, uh, very divine kind of love energy is there. So for many of you, this would mean a proposal, a new relationship, marriage. But yeah, good things are definitely gonna come your way. This could also mean you need to focus on your partner. You need to exchange energies with your partner. And because with the two of cups there is always a transaction happening, a transaction, not monetary transaction. In some cases it could be monetary, but here, like with the cups, there is an exchange of emotions, and the more you exchange emotions with each other, this dynamic is gonna work very well. So yeah, good energies, Sagittarius. Now let's look at what messages or advice is coming your way from the oracle cards this month. Yeah, you get grounded. Many of the most evolved beings are not regular folks living with joy, dignity, and courage. So, grounded card usually signifies that you need to let go of your ego. You need to humble yourself down. Uh, you know, जितना हो सके अपने आप को बेसिक चीज़ों में रखिए, ज़्यादा आप ऊपर नीचे मत कीजिए चीज़ों को. टेक थिंग्स स्लो and embrace the divine. So yeah, overall good energies, Sagittarius, and just focus on your mental health. You need to move away from that mental energy, that mental stress that is there, because I definitely see you moving away from that. But you need to put in some effort for that. Do take care of your mental health, and yeah, that would be all for your reading. If the reading resonated with you, do like the video and came to comment the reading. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and bye.